Part 3, the hands and feet. All right, you think it was complicated? Nope. Boom, you make this blocky monstrosity and computer software does the rest for you. Boom. All right, I'm excited to show you how to make the hands and feet, and look, reference art, boom. All set up and it's awesome. All right, and to make it easier for you guys, I did reference art, but I also did hand reference art as well. See? And that's how I'm sure how to make the hand. All right, I also do commissions if you guys are interested. I love making avatars for you guys, and I have a Patreon as well. I also made other playlists as well, how to make this character, for example, Iron Mouse. So if you want to have different hands or feet with toes, watch these tutorials. Link in the description. All right, remember, timestamps so you can forward to the spots you want. All right, this is 2 parts, hands and feet. So yeah, I decided to combine them. Time for the hands. Yay. All right. This reference does not have hands. That makes a problem. All right, it's a nice reference, but doesn't have it. We need a reference like this. This is awesome. This one doesn't. This one does. It's really good and high quality. All right, I'm gonna show you how to get it. So this guy made the other reference art. It's awesome. Click on here. Choose your own. As long as it has reference art hands. Click this one. And right here. Come on. Here. Then here. Then here. Then download. All right. Once you have that downloaded, go object mode, click this, then click this. And if anything's left behind, just do A, M, and this one. All right. We're going to do right click right here, new collection. We could call this hands. And we could put a reference art hands in here. All right. Just grab and drop your reference art in. Then boom. Alt S, Alt R, Alt G. That brings everything in the middle. Middle mouse button. Remember, primitive navigation is up here. Middle mouse button. Then hold down Alt right here to go in this view. Just do R. Then hold down Control. Snap it about right there. You're only going to see on axis. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Why do we only see on axis? There's multiple. Okay, click this. See perspective mode. We are in perspective mode right now. You click this right here and it goes out of it. So I can see from here, we're only going to want the front. So you can see the front. And we want it back to the character. And you click on here. Just left click right here. Hold on Control. We'll snap it about halfway. It's up to you of how high you want it. All right. And just do G. Then Control. Snap it about right there-ish. And let's see. That looks good. So mix it. It's really easy to see the measurements because it's all right there. All right. Let's see. And after that, this is the bottom of the hand. So just go G, then Z. Hold down Control. Depends what view you want. We want it about right here. See how it's like tip of the fingernail? We do G and basically put it right there so you can do it from the other view as well. You do Shift D, right click, go, and we're going to do Control 1 on a numpad, or you can just go on this view. And after that, let's see, you can click this one. This one's going to do the back of it and not the front. Awesome, right? And before we did this one, now it's time to do the back view. Why is it upside down? It makes it inconvenient. All right, so since it's upside down, go front again. Do R, hold on Control, about right here. All right, let's do G, then Z, hold on Control. All right. See how that's at the tip? You want a numpad? And that one's at the tip. Awesome, right? All right, now it's time. Click on the main one again. And we only want to see from the axis, so make sure you click both of them so we don't see it. It's up to you if you want to see it or not. So make sure you click on this one, only on axis. So click right here, Shift D, right click, go from above view. Well, first go to this view. Remember, middle mouse button, Alt, depending on views. Do R, hold down Control. About right there, you do 7 on numpad and dot to zoom in on it if you want to. All right, we're going to do G, then Y, hold down Control. We are going to do about halfway. So see how it's like a tip of this? That's what we want. It's kind of hard to see exactly what that looks like from the bottom. So I'm going to do G, then Y, hold down Control. See about right here. See how it's going to be like that? See. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Do Shift D, right click, let go. Let's do R, hold on Control, about right there. Do Control 7, or we do right here. Zoom in. We can do G, then Y, and this one's going to be the bottom. And once you hit that slot right there, G, Control, let's see. After I just do 7 on numpad. See how we do it right here? See? Now it's good. Make sure you have it from these views. I know it looks confusing. After that, we can get started. Hands. Remember, down left is what I'm clicking. All right, so you can follow along. We go to make sure to do Shift C to bring everything back to the real origin point. We go to Add, Mash, Cube, then go right here, then do Edit Mode. Just do one dot on the numpad to zoom in on it. Oh, you could do it manually, don't freak out. Mouse button and Alt to look from top view, because this is what we could be doing. Do S, hold on Control. But right there, remember the exact measurements if you want to exactly follow along. And just kind of rough it up of where you want it to be. Let's see, SY. Let's see, as you can see, it's kind of, oh, remember, make sure inside wireframe, hold down Z to go to different views, as you can see. And just kind of circle around. I do box, B for box select. You can choose one you want by selecting, let's see, what was it? W. All right, you click W. I just like to leave on box. And just select the outer rims of where stuff should be. And go from the bottom as well. See? And make sure I have this selected. This makes it easier. Hold down Control. Get exact measurements if you want to. And see right there-ish. And just put this one back. Remember, the other view is going to be slightly different. So I'm going to select this and just kind of move it down. Select this and kind of move it down to get something that you want. Ish. Just depends. All right, now when it comes to the fingers, these are the most complicated part. All right, so we're going to do, go to Add, Circle, click right here and just do a 6. It's up to you what number you want. I just do 6s. Where'd it go? Oh, that's huge. Do make sure you're on dot select. Do S, hold down Control. Probably put it about right there. Then mouse button, then Alt, then G, hold down Control, then R, then hold down Control to do exact measurements like that. And just S to scale. Hold down. See. So from the bottom view, let's do this finger first. Well, usually we do one finger and we duplicate it to death. That's usually how it works. And let's see at the very base. Make sure it matches from both. See SZ, sometimes a little bit fatter on some ends. It just really depends. And do G, right click, let go. Remember, hold down Shift and mouse button, pump around. And let's lift it about, hold on Control, about right here-ish. An S to scale, not all the way down, just enough that we can get like most. Remember, hold down Z to use basically all this. And all right. So look at your fingers. It has joints, so it's up to you. Control R. The mouse wheel, right click, let go. It's up to you where the joints be. Let's see, GG, hold down Alt, and it'll click right here. GG, hold down Control. Probably about right there. All right, select these. Hold down Shift here. FF. We can add, do the wrench, add modifier, generate, and you do subdivision surface. I select this to a 2. You choose what number you want. I just do 2 for now. And see, click this. All right. Now let's turn this off and let's just roughly put it where it needs to be. See, I'm just roughly putting it. But right there. And let's see. This is supposed to be the tip right here. And this one's supposed to be in. As you can see, then we do smooth. And for the most part, it matches. All right. Okay, so these are going to be the joints, but you look at your own finger right now. There's a fatty meaty part. Control R. Right click, let go. Just do S to scale. Depends how fat you want them. Control R. Let's see. S to scale. Sometimes there's more fat underneath. It just really depends on your finger. Control R. Right click to let go. And let's see. This one's supposed to be more flat in the bottom. Everyone has different fingers. Go like that and you turn it back on. See how it's starting to look like a finger? All right. And remember to do the joints. Alt lift right here. Here. Control B. A little bit. Alt S to shrink it down if you want to. Or just make sure you're on individual origins. And turn it on. And S to scale. It just really depends what we want the finger to look like. All right. It's really up to you. You can follow the reference. You can. You can't. It really is up to you. Let's see. See how it's like a bumpish right here? It is up to you if you want to follow it. All right. Go from above you. Hold down Z. Do control. Now there's like a fingernail. It's up to you if you want to add that. Let's see. I think the original characters were in gloves. Let me check real quick. Oh, it's not. Never mind. What the heck happened? Make sure you're on there. Okay, here you go. Go to tab, go to edit mode. After that, let's put it. Let's see. Let's kind of move this right here-ish. It's up to you if you want to do it exactly. Click right here. S to scale. Let's see it on the numpad. Let's see. There's multiple. You can Shift E if you want it. Well, it depends. Click right here. Edge select. Let's see. It really is up to you if you want to have this or not. And after you do that, you do S, Y. Let's see, and you click on it and get a good look at it. It really depends to you if you want fingernails or not. And usually if you add fingernails, Control R, you're going to have to add another loop to add depth to it. There's just so many ways to do it. I'm just doing 6. I'm doing like the easiest hand I know how to do. Kind of smush it down. Let's see if it looked like if we did this. Yeah, see? There's so many ways to do it. All right? There's not specifically one way. There's so many ways. Let's see. And that probably looks good to me. It's up to you. And let's see. Some people would even click right here, E, right click to let go, and just shove it out more if you want actual fingernails. This character I think has sharp fingernails. It is really up to you. For me, I'm fine with this. Get my hand back. All right, once you have a glorious finger, L, click right here, Shift D, click right here-ish, S, X, just zoom it where it kind of needs to be. Let's see. S, Y. All right, Alt left click right here. Make sure on edge select, S to scale. This just really depends. Some of them get thicker. All right, this is the middle finger, so do L and just hold on control, put it about right there, as you can see. Really is up to you how you want it to look like. Click the original one again. Shift D. Right here. Rotate it to where you want it to be. S to scale. Let's do S, X. Zoom in a bit right there. Without control. And this one's going to be kind of at an angle. S, Y. Look at your own hand. It starts to curve in anyways. Click the original one again. L. Shift D. Right here. S to scale. downwards. See S again. S, Y, just a little bit. This original one's actually really skinny. S, Y. Sorry about that, guys. I always keep adjusting R. Right here is S to scale. Let's see, about right here. I'm going to turn this off. Now it's time to connect them. All right, multiple ways to do this. Oh yeah, do L and make sure you put the fingers where they are. So Control. And about right there-ish. And remember, you could have it match more if you want to. It really is up to you. All right, and after the pinky, it's going to be this finger. It has to be R. Just kind of have it match up. See that? And just have it shrink down. Oh yeah, maybe we'll click this. See how it looks a lot different. I forgot about that. All right, click this. You can do Control R, right click to let go. Then Control R, right click, let go. And we can make sure this is up. See, click and click. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 fingers. So that we are going to be on. Click this, then X, then faces. See, click here, hold down shift, click here, faces, here, hold down shift here, here, here. Okay, let's do faces. So, let's click this one because I actually want the edges. Alt, left click right here. Actually, see, it's, now we'll find out later. All right. Click here, hold down shift, here, F, then click right here, F, 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 F. Click right here. Let's see, make sure somewhat matches. Yeah, it's fine. See, make sure it somewhat matches where the hand's supposed to be. Make sure on this, make sure on wireframe, just kind of bring it where it needs to be-ish. All right, and so you click right here, hold down shift here, 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 F, here, here, F, 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 F. Let's see, we fix that, don't worry about that. All right, now we can click on the edges, click on this, this, then X and faces. Then click here, 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 F. Wait a minute, let's see. Let's put these, stick these out more, click right here. Left shift F, then click right here, F, 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 F. Then remember here, hold down shift here, F, then click right here, F, 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 F. All right, now they're connected. Click this. I know they're not done yet. What the heck happened? Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna figure out the bottom of this. Okay, click the whole thing, Alt N, calculate outside. All right, see if you do that, don't worry, just go calculate outside, then it should fix it. All right, now we do damage control. Click right here, and let's see. Remember, let's see. This is actually what's going on, but we can fix it from here. All right, you can click on this and see how you go G. Make sure it looks like a donut. G, then middle mouse wheel to go in and out. If it's really big, to zoom out and you do F. No, I'm sorry. I do so many different programs. S. All right, you do mouse wheel in and out. And just kind of go up about right there-ish. You can also click right here. Let's see. And go up. Remember, make sure it looks good to you. That's one of the most important things. All right, and we're not done yet. Don't worry. Okay, the pinky. Mouse wheel up. Just do S, Y, get to place. Look from above. This one's not matching up. All left click here. S, Y. And kind of just have the whole thing match up. Right, and there's a person kind of taper right here. So let's go down. Look at your own hand. Well, it tapers a little bit, not too much. Let's do about right there-ish. Remember, this is like a really simplistic hand, because hands are difficult to begin with. We're not making a full hand that looks beautiful with the best topology on the planet. All right, let's select these. Hold on, shift. Let's see. Faces. There's multiple ways to do that. Let's click all of them. Just do faces. Sure how to do some ninja moves on later. Do Control R, right click, let go. GG, we could add the thumb now, so it's off. See what we're doing in real time. And we're gonna do Control R right here, right click to let go. And remember, look from different views, see what's going on. See this, S to scale, I want it a little bit skinnier. All right, make sure on face select, hold down left click, hold on shift, here, and just do E, right click, let go, just do G, right click, loop tools, circle. All right, if you panic, you don't see loop tools, do not panic. Go to edit, preferences, go to get extensions, allow online extensions. I know it's dumb, and just do loop, and install loop tools, and also be in add-ons after that. Loop, sorry. Loop, then right there. All right, so don't panic. And let's see, S to scale. This is like what starts to take off. Remember, look from this view, it's way down. Do S, Z to go down with it. Let's see. Do control, and then do E, right click, go. And let's do, can you go all the way? Let's see. Yeah, we can go mostly all the way. Now we can do Control R, right click, go. You can look at your own thumb of where you want to bend. Usually kind of bends like halfway-ish. Do S to scale. Remember, there's a Control R. There's the meaty part. Let's see, put it right there. Control R. It's also a meaty part right here. It's up to you how you want it to look like. All right, see, the thumb goes way down. So let's try on this select and just move it down right there. Come on. And thumbs are thick, as you can see. SZ. Put it right here. SZ. SZ. Then click the smooth tool. So it's actually going on. SZ. Okay, supposed to be a gap right there. Let's do SY. Let's see. SY. SX. Up to you how you want to bend. All right. And let's see. Let's move this up. And it's up to you if you want to do fingernails up here. It really is up to you. Oops. Okay, we don't want this. Shift E. Put down to 0. Let's see. Not to that. S. The Z axis. Let's see. Fingernail looks a little long. Edit. Control R. Let's see. Control R right here. And basically, GG. Put it like almost, and after that, GG. Put it about right here. Just hard to rotate. Alright, so I have to be aware of the joint, which is right here-ish. Let's see, make sure it matches up. Control B, just to make a joint. We just do a little bit. As you can see, it doesn't have to be a whole lot. And just kind of make sure everything here on this. And just kind of bring everything in. It's up to you how you want the fingernail to look like. It really is. Sometimes you shouldn't add fingernails. We are so limited on topology. Only the thumb looks good. And the rest of it probably looks okay to you. Alright. Go into tab, right click, shade smooth, then go back in. And now we basically have the thumb formed. S, Z, and... Alright, so you see if it's how it's kind of at an angle. Make sure you click these. And just kind of see SZ, GG, and just kind of do the best you can. My nose itches. It's kind of hard to replicate that. Alright. Let's see, and just click on these, right click, smooth vortex, just click on it a few times. Let's see, you can click on these, smooth vortex. I have a cute bird and I can't scratch his head right now. Okay, come on, birdie, come on. He's adorable. I'm gonna put him on top of the mic. Alt left click right here, right click, smooth vortex, then kind of push it back and just do SY0, no, sorry, SX0. And all right, there's multiple ways to do this because we need to end up with 6 or 8, depending on what you did. Fix my hand tracking. All right, I'm back. I figured it out. All right, don't worry, guys. Let's click right here. E, right click, let go, click right here. E again, right click, let go, click right here, here. And so these ones, FF, click right here, click these ones, FF. Then click right here, E, right click, let go, put it out a little bit, click here, F, click here, hold down shift, here, F. All right, Alt left click right here, right click, circle. All right, it looks lopsided, not a problem. Let me show you how to fix that. Let's click these, GG, click these, GG. All right, and let's move these GG way over. As you can see, it's looking a lot better. GG. And remember, these ones are supposed to be more elongated and wide. And let's just select these, right click, shade, smooth vortex. Let's do that a few times. And as you can see, now fill it up, do smooth tool, alt left click right here, S, Y, and just make sure, see, now it looks good. See, it matches up with your reference. Do Control R, right click, let go. And it's up to you if you want to keep following the reference. And see right here, it's a little bit too aggressive. So we're actually going to have it poke out a little bit more, like right here. Come on. See that? It really is up to you how much you want to poke out. You can click right here, and some hands may poke out a lot right here. For example, like this whole amount. I think I might do that. It really is up to you. And yeah, now let's click into the body. Oh, remember, Alt. And move it about over here. SZ. And click on the thumb area. Do S to scale. See what we're doing. See, select this. It's kind of supposed to be wide. Look around your hand. This area is all supposed to be kind of whitish. Then you have, just depends of what you want. Because look at the underneath, it's just plain. It's just a texture. Because it did not focus on the hands. Because, you know, there's no reason to. Okay, and just select these ones. Right click, smooth vortex. That just smooths it out. It's up to you how smooth you want it to be. So you want these ones to be a little lower with it. It's kind of hard to see how the thickness matches up from that end though. All right, and that's it. It's really is up to you. Give a good look over. Anything else you want to change? Makes this good to you. That's one of the most important things. All right, now let's get out of here. Object mode, and let's see. See that how it's disappeared? Click right here. Do M, and do where your other character is. Then hide this one. Then show the real body. All right, click right here. Go to hold down. Let's see. Let's click this first, and just kind of put it where it belongs. Make sure you click your other reference. So that's not it. Here we go. And just do R, hold down Control, make sure you have that off. Just S to scale until you get to the right thickness you want. Let's see, it's not going to be exactly the same, but we want it to be close. See that? It's pretty dang close. Look from behind as well. Oh, look behind this different view. All right. Make sure you go in edit mode. Hold down Shift. Click right here. Right click. No, I'm sorry. Control J. You just fused it together. After that, then go to here. Alt. Left click right here. Well, this just depends. We can see Alt. Let's click right here. Hold down Shift. Here. Right click. Bridge, or you could do it manually. It is up to you. It doesn't matter too much. Let's see, S to scale. After that, look at it from different views. Let's see how it matches from this view. Doesn't have to be exactly because it's not going to be the same reference anyways. It's up to you if it looks good. All right, look from the side view. Hey, see that? And make sure you have this back on. S, Alt S. See, that can kind of just bring it in some. Here, Alt S. Not doing a whole lot. I don't want to do a whole lot. See, it really is up to you how much you want to do. You can have it match up the fingernails. For example, for me, I'm not too concerned about that. It's like that. And it's up to you how you want the hands to look. Want to follow that angle? You can if you want to, but I don't want to make this too long. And yeah, so you can see that looks good. That's how you do hands. Now it's time for the feet. Remember, down left is what I'm clicking. All right, let's go. Make sure you're on edge select. Z, go to wireframe, and just do box select right here. You can do B to do that, and just do dot and numpad or zoom in manually. Click this off, and middle mouse button Alt to pan to this view, and turn this off. Then do E, go all the way down, about right there, and it's kind of spinning along-ish. And let's see, let's click on these. Let's see, make sure these faces are like flatters. S, Y, make it more flattish, not too flat, but more. And kind of put it ish like that. After that, do E. Well, right there, it doesn't have to be perfect. And okay, SY is 0. And that's the scale. Let's see. It's not too wide. Move it to over here-ish. And do E again. About right here. Make sure edge select. Select these. Push it about that far down. As you can see, a foot is forming. After that, to E. Right before you see the toes, like what a toe should be. And since this character doesn't, all it's going to have is one toe, I'm only going to do one toe. If you want to do more toes, I have a video on that, or you can just kind of put these ones forward, for example. and extrude toes from here. Make sure you add more geometry right there, for example. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do one toe because of the way the outfit works, as you can see. She's wearing like some kind of socks. Thigh highs. And just do E all the way right there. And click this. And let's start. Click right here. E, right click, let go. Push it about right there. This is what we're seeing. Click right here. F, F, F. Make sure you go into object mode. Right click, shade smooth, then go back. And now click this. Now we have a heel. I know it needs to be fixed. And let's fix that right now. See? All right, go from the bottom view. Before we do that, let's circle this. Control I, then H to hide it. All right, now I'm going to go from the bottom view. See, here's the bottom view, for example. You can just focus on this for now. Make sure you click on this and do the mouse wheel in and out by doing G so you can see it. And just start getting it in. Usually I like to get rid of it. I don't want to have that much geometry. See what this doing also up here. I think that's fine. Just kind of scoot it over there. Same thing over here. So you may have to add more geometry. Do Control R. Right click, let go. All right, now we added more geometry. And see, now we can just kind of shove this along. Click these bottom ones and fan it out. Usually these ones will kind of poke out more-ish. Go from the side view. Once you add more geometry right here, but before we do that, let's see, Alt S. See, let's do that first. Oh, oops, we fix some of that. And we'll fix that later then. And select here and just do it way lower. And then go back underneath and fix it. Then go from above again. And fix the toes. So the toes are off. Before we do that, let's just click faces. And just select all these ones. Turn this off. SZ0. Just make sure it's all flat, as you can see. And bring these out more. SX. Just click this. Let's see. I still want to follow the reference art. Alt S. No, just X. SX. And probably about right there. All right, we can add more geometry. Before that, let's Alt S. Well, this one's already fat, which is this one. After that, do Alt S right here because this one's skinnier. See, it's a difficult balance. So click on these, right click, smooth vortex. Now click on it, go back to the position. Do Control R, out on right here, right click, let go. All right, now we have some more meat. Alt S. There's good and bad. So right here, for example, we can add more. All right, there are the ankle bones. I'll show you how to do that later. Let's see. Oh, ankle bones. Oh, ankle bones. You are annoying. I don't want to do ankle bones right now. Okay, so from this view, see how it looks like. How come I'm not seeing them? Okay, we did not step the reference from that view. That sucks. And I don't want to spend time to fix that view. Technically, we don't need that view. But wow, does it help. Oh well. Alt S. G, Z. And just have it all the right spots. Remember, just click on faces and all this to be flat. SZ0. Alright, now it's time to add the toes. Alright, we're only doing one toe, so I don't have to focus that much. Let's click on these and just do V. Let's see, it's like here, F, to Control R, one in the middle, And let's see, can I do this? We can. Set these FF. Okay, we can't see it from that view, but we can see it from this view. Is the toes going over? I think the toes are going over. About like right here-ish. All right, you see how the toes right here? Let's see, let's push this one back. And this one, GX. And we could do Control R. Let's add some volume to it because I do want it somewhat thick. See, this one doesn't have the middle thing, which just makes it harder, that's all. Just look at your own foot. Mine does a little thing that pops up anyways, I think. It just really depends. All right, look at the bottom of the shoe. All right, now look from the side. The same length, and just take a good look at it. Look at it from this view. See how it's a little bit coming out right here. Alt S. We do G X. Either one. And we're just looking for 90% accuracy. All right, you see right here. Alt S. Alt S. G. And remember, I'm going to select the whole thing. And just do SZ0. And right here, you can just click these bottom ones if it's bothering you. Shift E to mark sharp if you want to. You don't have to go all the way. Just kind of go between. Now I'll click from this. Let's see, do Shift E all the way. Let's see. Select these. Okay, let's select these ones. And turn this on, but make sure it's on low. GX. Does one go down more? Doesn't have to be 100% accurate. I just want it to be mostly accurate. Come on. Well, how can I calculate? Oh, yeah. Okay, usually another character I'm making, I usually have another view, and it's nice. But we can get away with this one. Yeah, I'm not gonna sure how to do the other one. No thanks. Alt H. We brought that back, and just kind of bring everything along. Let's see, and after that, go from the corner view. Get a good look over. If it's 90% good, then that's good enough. All right, and let's take a little break. Down left is what I'm clicking, see? So I can follow along. All right, now it's time for the ankles. All right, let's do the inners first. This one's more difficult because it's kind of at this weird angle because we want a cube like this, but there's no cube like this. This is in the way. So let's see, just do GG. Just kind of move this to the side. And that might give us what we want. I hate when that happens. Click on this. Click right here, here. Let's do E, right click, let go. Right click, loop tool, circle, S to scale. R on the X axis, kind of put it in, kind of like that. And turn this on. And just kind of move it where it needs to be. And yeah. So you're going to have to get this geometry down here to kind of take care of the loopiness. This foot's really cubish. So let's get rid of this cubishness from the foot. Just a right click. Smooth vortex. Click on here, then do it. Go from the side view, see what we do. Do it again. All right, Alt S. Right here, Alt S, go lower. And now give it a good look over. See, these is going out. Alt S. Alt S. All right, and turn on this. So yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it should look good. Let's see, it's a little bit crowded. So we can move this up. See what that looks like. Oh, that looks good. Now let's do this side. Let's see, let's click on this. Maybe select this off. See how I see outline right there. So it's kind of like right there-ish. And just do E, right click, go, right click, circle. Do the same thing, S to scale, right there-ish. Just need it small. Alt S. If it needs to be bigger, just scale it down or lower, just depending on the character you're working on. All right, and turn this off, give it a look over. And yeah, doesn't have to be that complicated. Let's see, I am getting a little bit of weird stretch artifacts right here. So let me just right click, smooth vortex. Now when I look at it, better. All right, but still make sure it follows your reference. Let's see, stretch it out a little bit. Corner view. and give it a good look over. It's up to you if you look good. This character is going to be wearing shoes, so I won't mind if it goes through a little bit. And remember, you can be here until the cows come home. So just make something that looks good to you. Let's see what's good. Okay, what's poking out? Is it these ones? Okay. Let's turn on this. Let's see. Y? So I kind of want it more fatter right here. Can I not make it more fatter? Well, it depends. I don't want too fat. How about more fatter? Let's see. Now we get to see. Can you do that? And it doesn't like it. Wow. Wants it low. It does want small. All right. You can make it thicker or smaller depending on what your needs are. I still want to look good for the thumbnail, so I might raise it up a little bit. So I'm going to do that. It's a good disobey the reference art a little bit, but I don't care with that. All right, hope that helps. Let's see, give a good look over. We did the hands, and we did the feet. That looks good. All right, you guys are awesome. Stay awesome. I've been busy making other avatars as well. See, this one, I'm really excited to texture it. All right, and if you guys, I also do commissions. So if you guys need an avatar like this, or if any avatar be choosing of your OC, give me a reference art and boom, an avatar out of it. I'm going to try to upload more often, so I'm sorry about that, guys. And next is the hair. And remember, if you guys want to support me, I have a Patreon, and I also have avatar creation. If you guys want to make an avatar for you,